Hey, I'm Brandon.
And I'm Joaquin, and this is our family. Like, we've been together since we were kids, and he's always going to be my brother. People might label us as stepbrothers, but that doesn't exist to me. We're brothers, you know, and that's how we'll always be. I'm always editing on my computer, and I don't have my own workspace, and I'm always running around the house trying to find a space to edit in or create content. I feel like having my own space is going to make me personalize not only my workspace, but my work.
Even though we want to be individuals and have our own separate spaces, we still appreciate having each other and being together.
We like to have our own taste and our own styles on stuff.
Yeah, I would say our room's average. Our personalities aren't very average.
My goal is to make it in the world of film. Whether it means going to film school or traveling, I just want to be making videos some way, somehow.
Just finish school, get my degree, and see where it takes me from there.
Before, I didn't look forward to coming up to my room, but now, like, I'm stoked to come to my room because it's so dope. Our
room was just a place to just sleep, but we come up here now, I want to do other things. Like, just looking around this room makes me want to do more.
I walk in and I look at my desk and I'm like, gotta work. Yep. Even though if I don't have anything to do, I'm like, that desk is like...
It's too nice, you can't
I'm like, I gotta go there and work, you know? We have this divider. I really love this piece because it gives us all of the storage we need, but it still divides the space. I really feel it's the piece that we needed the most in the room. We really have our own spaces rather than just one big room.
It's like getting 100 on a test. You work, you put a lot of effort into it, and you're rewarded in the end. And this is our reward.
I walk in my room, I feel motivated, but I feel chill at the same time. I can either walk into my room and feel like it's grind time, or I can walk into my room and feel like it's ready to chill.
Being able to have people over, have my friends over.
Our common area is like so decked out.
The lights, the LED lights on the back of the TV, which was a completely dope idea. It gives the room not only some color, but some personality.
The fridge. I can put my beverages in there or like my food. At like 1 o'clock in the morning, I can just go right into my little fridge. And
there's not one thing in this room that's not being used for something.
I loaded up all my camera and studio equipment. So like here, some basic camera equipment, my bag.
And I took advantage of it as well. This is my prized possession. Yeah. Well, there's gonna be a lot more where this came from.